Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So this is going to be a flip through of my first little golden book. This is a December daily, and this is also a guest design team project for Steph over at JunkWithSteph. And the two kits that I used is Sweater Weather and Christmas Collage Kit 7, I believe it is how it is in the description. So we will go ahead and get right into here. So right here we do have a tassel that I made. So I just took some of the vintage Christmas fabric, some other vintage light blue fabric because of the blue here, and then just some green lace and made a tassel. So this is only the second tassel I've ever made. So this journal does have a tassel. The other December dailies that I'm doing, because I know I told you guys that I was going to do 7. However, these were very, very time consuming. I have this one completed, but I have 4 other ones that have the spine rebuilt and all of the signatures sewn in. They just need to be, lightly decorated. These are going to be lightly decorated and not heavily embellished because they are December dailies for you to put your things in. So we'll go ahead and get into this. So this is the Rudolph. And in here, on this pocket, I did use some fabric, and this is actually some ribbon. Sewed the ribbon to this and did make a pocket here. This is from the kit, and this just says this book belongs to. And then this is another piece of ephemera from the kit. So that's just what is in this front pocket. Let me grab that so it doesn't get lost down in there. And I did use all of the pages from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Just got some green paper here. And then here we do have a little corner tuck piece of ephemera from the kit, and I believe this one is Sweater Weather. And then I put a vintage playing card in there, and it's little cardinals and it's red, so I thought it was pretty Christmassy. And this right here is a page from the kit. This is such pretty Christmas kit. And then here we do have an envelope from the kit, and again this is from Sweater Weather. And in here you actually have all of your numbers for your December daily. And this kit is from Vintage Studio 717, if I'm not mistaken. But I will look and find the link. But you have numbers 1 through 31 in there. And this is some of my grungy, wrinkly, if you will, coffee dyed paper that I had done. And that's just on there with a paper clip. And then we have a Christmas dolly here, and then some vintage book page here. Page from the book. Just some red paper. This is a vintage ledger paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. Isn't that pretty? And then here, this is some of, that's some of my tea-dyed paper. Here is another envelope in the kit. And just a couple of pieces of ephemera in there. So you've got that in there. And again, it is just over the side with a paper clip. Then we have a Christmas card. Lori just went completely blank. And then this was also from Vintage Studio 717 when I printed out the numbers. It was kind of on a background page, so I just cut out this little thing that said Christmas greetings. And this is some of my red dyed paper and a fabric ruffle. It's another beautiful page from the kit. And then this is just a flap of the envelope. It's got Santa Claus on there. And then a page from the book. And this is a Christmas adult coloring book that I had gotten, so I put some sheets of that in there. And then another really pretty page from the kit. And then this is a pocket just made out of some scrapbooking paper. And then this is a journaling card from the kit. And this is Sweater Weather. This is also my writ dyed paper. This is the middle of the first signature. These books are going to be 2 signatures each, guys. And because the pages were too long, I didn't want to cut them, so I just folded them in and put a couple of Christmas Well-Tell tabs on there. And that writ dyed paper. And then here we have a corner pocket from the kit, and I believe this one was the Christmas collage kit. And then a couple of pieces of ephemera. And then this was in with the numbers. And it says Joy to the World, so I just put it up there. And these numbers, guys, I did print on that glitter paper that I had gotten, the cardstock, because that was all that they had, but I think it looks really cute on there. And then another beautiful page from the kit, and then another adult coloring book. And this is Christmas themed, guys. That's the other side of that. And a page from the book. And this is the other side of that envelope. I did not put anything in here, so you will have plenty of room to put stuff in there. And then this one here is also printed on that glitter paper, and this is actually from Shabby Dabby Doodah. And then we just have another one of those little cutouts there. It says Let It Snow. And then here I just took the band and a couple of the little nameplate things from the kit. Made a really skinny belly band and just put a piece of ephemera back there. So if you got a Christmas card or something from someone one day, you could certainly tuck that in there. And then over here, this is actually the back of that Christmas card, and I just used a piece of ephemera from the kit, and this one was from the Christmas collage kit, and made a pocket. There was some writing here on the back of the card, so I just covered it up with that and put a piece of ephemera in there. And this is my tea-dyed paper. And then here on this page, I just took some ribbon, glued it to some cardstock, and made a belly band. Again, I did not put anything in it. That way, if you, again, get a Christmas card or something like that from someone, you could definitely tuck it in there. Another beautiful page from the kit. It is so pretty, Steph. I love that kit. And then another piece of vintage ledger paper. And then just some red paper. Another page from Rudolph. And then the antique book page. I'm sorry, not antique, vintage. I apologize. And then that Christmas dolly. And again, the other side of that grunge, wrinkly, coffee-dyed paper of mine. And then this is an envelope from the kit. Again, just put on with a paper clip. And I did not put anything in there in case you got, you know, a gift from somebody in the month of December and you wanted to put the gift tags in there, you would be able to do that. So we have that there again, just with a paper clip. And then there's another pretty page from the kit. And this right here actually says the first fall of snow is not the only event. It is a magical event. You go to bed in one kind of a world and wake up in another quite different. J.B. Presley. That's cute. And then just some green paper. And then there's a Rudolph page again. So that's the end of the first signature. Then the second signature, we have a page from Rudolph. And then some of that green paper. And this right here is a pocket from the kit. Oh, I got to put a topper on there. I missed that one. And a journaling card from the kit. Vintage ledger paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. And then this pocket, I believe, is from the Christmas collage kit, along with this tag. And we just have some green lace up there for the topper. And that Christmas card again. And then the vintage book page. Another beautiful page from the kit. And then this is some of my writ dyed paper. And we have an envelope here. And I did put a small piece of ephemera in here from the kit. Figure out which way it goes, guys. Sorry about that. I get turned around and backwards. And then another paper Christmas dolly. Some of that grunge coffee dyed paper of mine We have a corner tuck here, and then down in there we just have a journaling card. And then the flap to the envelope. Some more of my writ dyed paper. Beautiful page from the kit. And then here's another one of those belly bands, exactly like the other one, so you could put something under there. Some of my writ dyed paper, tea dyed paper, and we have a ruffle here. And this is vintage fabric. And then another beautiful page from the kit. Another one of those adult coloring books. And then this is some of my purple writ dyed paper. And a page from Santa, and that is the middle of the signature. And the purple writ dyed paper, adult coloring sheet. Another page from the kit, tea dyed paper. And oh, I missed another one. Okay, so I missed two, so I got to get toppers on these. So this is a tag from the kit, and then this is a pocket made out of just some scrapbooking paper, and then my coral writ dyed paper. And then just put another one of those there. Back side of that, beautiful. That is so pretty. I love that writing. Some more writ dyed paper. And then this is the envelope in this one, ready to put some goodies in there. And that grungy coffee dyed paper. The other side of the dolly. Again, some more of my writ dyed paper. And then up here we have another one of those. It says Merry Christmas. So cute. Beautiful page from the kit. I just love that face. And we have a vintage book page. And then again, I made another small belly band over here and just put a little piece of ephemera there. A little mason jar. And then this was also the back of the envelope that had some writing on it. So I just took one of the tags from the kit and made a pocket and put a little journaling card there. And then this is my writ dyed paper. Have another envelope here. And it doesn't have anything in it, so it's ready for you to, again, you know, if you get a Christmas gift or something and want to put their little tag in there from the gift, you can do that. Plenty of room for that. Plenty of room for writing. Isn't that a cute little page? Look at that face. So cute. Antique ledger paper, another corner pocket, and just one journaling card. And you know what, guys? I have actually, excuse me for a second, some more of these vintage playing cards, and the other one was red, and I do have a green one, so we'll pop it right there. How about that? And then a page from the Rudolph book. And then here again I made a pocket, but this time I used a different one. I used the cardinal. And in here we just have a tag again from the kit, and then this is just the back cover. So that is it, guys. This is our flip through of my very first December daily. That is a guest design team project for Steph over at JunkWithSteph. Guys, she has beautiful, beautiful kits, and she is the sweetest person. You guys need to go over there and check out her Etsy shop. You know, go look her up on YouTube and Instagram. She is honestly just the sweetest person, and she has some of the prettiest kits I have ever seen. Absolutely beautiful. So thanks a lot, guys. This will be available for sale in my Etsy shop. If not today, you know, in the next couple of days or so. You know, I'm still trying to get myself together. Like I said, I hadn't done filming in quite a few days. You know, just trying to mend my heart and hang in there and just get through these tough times right now for you know, me and my family. So I do want to thank you all for your support. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.